Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you make videos on YouTube, you probably heard about the new YouTube monetization update. Starting February 1st, 2027, the rules to get ad revenues are changing. You no longer need 4,000 watch hours, you need 8,000 watch hours. And for shorts, you need 20 million views in 90 days. Now, if you want to start or grow an AI storytelling channel, whether you want to tell African folk tales, mythical legends, fantasy stories, or dramas, don't let this update discourage you. Storytelling is one of the highest retention niche on YouTube. When a story is captivating, people sit down and watch from the beginning to the very end, which gives you thousands of watch hours quickly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial from A to Z. First, we will write the script. Then I will show you the best free AI image generators. Next, I will show you how to keep your characters looking the same in every scene. After that, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to use 5 free AI animation tools as a beginner. And finally, we will edit everything using CapCut. So let's jump in. Step 1 in our process is getting a great script. A good story needs a strong hook, suspense, and emotional moments. You can use ChatGPT or Claude AI for free to get the best results. Don't just ask the AI to write a story. You need to give it a clear structure. For example, write a 5-minute exciting story based on an African folk tale about a young girl named Amina who carried a clay pot to a sacred river. Make the story full of suspense and a good moral lessons at the end. Break the script down line by line and give me a detailed visual scene description for every single line. Because we asked for the scene description, the AI will give us both the voiceover lines and the exact image ideas we need for the next steps. Now that we have our script and visual scene prompts, we need to generate our artwork. You do not need to pay for Midjourney or expensive software. Here are 4 incredible 100% free image generation tools you can use right now, all for free. The first is Google Gemini with Nano Banana. This is Google's free tool inside the Gemini app. It generates high-resolution images quickly and gives you high daily limits without paying a dime. To use it, all you need to do is to head straight to your web browser and type Google Gemini. Click on this very first one here. An interface like this will be open up to you. Then in here where you have Ask Gemini, here you can literally ask any question. You can use it to write script, you can use it to generate image of any of your choice, you can use it for every conversational statement or whatever, able to write email, whatever. You can literally use this AI to do almost every of your choice. So for example, to create an image, what you just need to do is to instruct the AI, tell the AI exactly what you want. Do not forget to give a proper description. For example, let's type in something like this. For example, create a typical photo of a Nigerian Igbo girl, 21 years old, dressed in Igbo traditional attire, a fabric made with black and red colored design pattern with lion head, lightened skin complexion, sparkling eyes, afro hairstyle, carrying a native pot to the village stream. Now let's see what we'll get as a result of this prompt here. Or what you need to do next is just to click on this arrow up button here and submit. And let's wait for it to generate the photo. Wow, amazing, guys. Did you see this? Amazing. Don't forget, guys, if you want to be specific about the aspect ratio, you can also add your prompt. For instance, you can say 16:9 for YouTube format, which is landscape, or 9:16 for portrait. In this case, we didn't indicate, so we just got this. Wow, guys, what do you think about this? I think this photo suits the prompt. Okay, guys, it is very simple and easy to use, as you can see here. We have Microsoft Copilot Bing Image Creator, powered by Dell. This gives you daily free boosts to make details 4K cinematic scenes. So guys, same process. All you need to do is just to head straight to your browser and type in Microsoft Copilot, sign in for an account if you do not have an account, and it will bring you to an interface like this. As simple as this, same process, very easy to use. Guys, I must not forget to tell you that this AI tool works same way with the Google Gemini. Everything you can take that AI tool Gemini can do, this AI tool does the same. So let's take this for instance. Let's copy paste the same prompt and see how the image will come out. Let's see the outcome. Wow, guys, amazing. Can you see this photo? Amazing, guys. The resolution here is more even clearer, more sparkling, more beautiful, guys. What do you think about this? Wow, wow, amazing. Did you see this? This is so cool. Another AI gives you 150 credits every single day, which is plenty of tokens to create all the scenes for a 5-minute video. See Art AI, another great backup tool that gives you free daily points for fantasy and storybook art. To make sure your picture match in style, add keyword like cinematic lighting, 3D animation movie style, 8K resolution to the end of every prompt you type. Now that you have where to make your pictures, let's address the most important questions. How do you make your character look like the same person in every scene? If your character has braided hair in scene 1, but long straight hair in scene 2, your audience will get confused. So here are 3 simple techniques to fix this. First, when you write your image prompt, create a detailed character description and copy-paste it into every single prompt. For instance, don't type a girl walking in a village. Instead, type a 12-year-old West African girl named Amina, short braided cornrows, wearing a yellow dress with red patterns, bright dark eyes, small silver earrings, walking in a typical West African village. So, as you can see, guys, that was exact prompt that I typed in here, and here's the image ChatGPT generated for that prompt. Mind you, guys, you can express yourself more in your description. Try to make the AI understand the exact actual photo, appearance, or image you want. So guys, in the next scene, I wanted this girl to appear at the village market carrying a basket of fish. Because I wanted my character to be consistent, all I did was just copy the prompt description. I mean the description for the image generation, right? And then I pasted it. I asked ChatGPT to create a photo for this just by pasting the prompt description, and then I added the action, which is carrying basket at the village market. So this was just something very simple, just to maintain the character consistency, to make the AI to understand that I needed the same person for another scene instead of generating a different person entirely. So after this little action, let's see the outward result. Wow, guys, this is perfect. As you can see, the character consistency remained the same, the face, the dress, everything. Everything is so perfect. The same person in the first photo, the same dressing attire, everything. Because you kept her hair, clothes, and facial description identical in every single prompt, the AI keeps her face and clothing consistent across different locations. If you're using Gemini AI or Leonardo AI, you can literally use image reference tools. In Google Gemini, first generate your ideal character portrait. Then upload that exact photo back into Gemini and type, using the same girl as a character reference. Show her sitting near a campfire at night. If you are using Leonardo AI, upload your character photo, select the character reference button, and type your new scene prompt. Leonardo will lock her face features and place her in a new environment. Now that you have consistent characters, pictures for your story, let's turn them into moving video clips. Moving pictures hold viewers' attention more longer. Let me walk you through how to use 5 free AI animation tools step by step. Now that you have made your AI images, the next step is bringing them to life. And I will show you 3 tools that offer free usage. Guys, as you all know, most AI tools for animation out there are all for paid plan. Some don't even give you free trials, but these 3 tools that I want to introduce to you, they give you opportunity for free trials for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you may consider these 3 tools. Okay guys, the very first one I want to introduce to you is Dance. Even without going to their official website, you can easily access it through CapCut editing app. This fantastic AI animation tools gives you free credits for your photo animation. As you can see here, there are 274 at the moment. This is because I've used out of it. So you literally have more than 274 credits for your photo animation. And until this is exhausted, nobody's going to ask you a dime. So if you're a beginner, this is a great tool you can use for your photo animation. Now, how do you use it to animate your photo? It's very simple. You just need to click on the plus sign and then next click on upload from device if you're using your device, but if you're using your phone, it should be more easier and accessible. Click on that very particular photo that you want to use for your video production. In this case, let's take this for the photo animation. Open, then come to this arrow button here where you have auto. Click then and put it on video. Now in here, you're going to insert your prompt. In this case, let me just write something as simple as this. This is the prompt I type in here. After that, next, you're just going to click on this arrow button and give it a time for the AI to process it and create your fantastic video for you. Amazing, guys. Take a look at. Perfect. This is one of the tools you can consider for your free photo animation if you are a beginner. Another one you want to consider is Pika AI. You just need to go to the official Pika website, make a free account with Google or email. Once you are in, just click create video or image to video. Upload your AI image, describe how you want it to move. For example, the little girl walks slowly through the village market, camera following, stuff like that, as simple as that. Then click generate. After a short wait, your animated video will be ready. Another one that also gives free trial is PixVerse AI. All you need to do is just to sign in or just log in with your email. Then click on image to video, upload your image, describe the motion, choose your aspect ratio if needed, generate, download, and that's all. The third one is Halo AI, also called Minimas. This one is also an AI animation tool that gives you opportunity for free trial. All you need to do is just to log in, open image to video, upload your AI image, then type a clear motion prompt like camera slowly zooms in, character smiles, and blink trees away gently. Click generate and wait for your animation. Depending on the current free plan, guys, you may get free credits or limited daily usage. Alright guys, I must not forget to tell you about this quick tip. The more specific you are about camera movement and character actions, lighting, background motion, the better the animation turns out. And remember, don't rely on just one platform. Use free plans across a few tools so you can keep creating without spending money. Okay, if you're a beginner, you may consider to log into different platforms. Want your AI characters to speak? I will be showing you that in my next video. If you really want that, you want to learn how you can create conversational AI telling story, maybe within 2 or more characters, just let me know in the comments. And in my next video, I will be doing video on that specifically for you. Okay, guys? So guys, after animating your characters, you may consider using any of these free AI editing tools like InShot or CapCut. I personally use CapCut because CapCut also gives free version, which is more great for editing, because there you find almost everything you need for your editing. So guys, this is the complete process from A to Z. Reaching 8,000 watch hour might sound intimidating at first, but when you focus on high retention content like storytelling, maintain consistent characters, and use these free tools, you build a loyal audience that stays engaged. So if this video gives you value, please hit the like button, share, subscribe for more creators guides, and leave a comment below letting me know which AI tools you're going to try out first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Shalom.